elif conditional statement. When we want to check multiple conditions, we use elif statement. First, we will see syntax. After that, we see examples. Syntax is if space condition A colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, pass, press enter, elif space condition B colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, pass, press enter, else colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, pass. Pass is a syntactic placeholder for the purpose of syntax. Let's see some examples. Here in this example, I am taking conditions as boolean values like true or false to understand easily. Let's take one example. If space false colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes. If block press enter, press backspace in keyboard. Elif space true colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes. Elif block press enter, press backspace in keyboard. Else colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes. Else block. Let's run it. See, the output is elif block. Let's discuss step by step. First, it checks the if condition, that is false, so it did not execute an if block of code. Next, it checks the elif condition, that is true. It executes the next lines of inside elif, so it executed print function, that is elif block, which is printed in output. Next blocks are ignored. Let's see some examples. Runs equal to int of input of press enter, if space runs less than 50 colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, print off within double quotes, runs are less than 50, press enter, press backspace in keyboard, elif space runs greater than 49 and runs less than 100 colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, print off within double quotes, half century, press enter, press backspace in keyboard, else colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, print off within double quotes, century or more than century. Let's run it. I am giving input 60. Press enter. See, the output is half century. Let's discuss this example step by step. Here, runs variable storing value 60. Next, it checks if condition, that is 60 less than 50. No, condition is false. Next, it will check elif condition, that is 60 greater than 49. Yes, the condition is true. Next, it will check 60 less than 100. Yes, the condition is true. Now, the total condition becomes true and true. Condition is true. Next, it executes print function, that is half century, which is printed in output. Next blocks are ignored. A code in between if elif else is not allowed. Here in this example, I am giving a print function in between if elif, like print of within double quotes. Code is not allowed here. Here I am giving again a print function in between elif else, like print of within double quotes. Code is not allowed here. Let's run it. See, here we get syntax error, that is invalid syntax. An elif conditional statement after else is not allowed. Here in this example, I am giving a elif conditional statement after else, like elif space true colon print of within double quotes elif block. Let's run it. See, here we get syntax error, that is invalid syntax. We can write more than one elif conditional statements as we require. Let's take another example. Runs equal to int of input of if space runs less than 50 colon, press enter. It automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes. Runs are less than 50, press enter, press backspace in keyboard. Elif space runs greater than equal to 50 and runs less than 100 colon, press enter. It automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes half century. Press enter. Press backspace in keyboard. Elif space runs greater than equal to 100 and runs less than equal to 200 colon. Press enter. It automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes century. Press enter. Press backspace in keyboard. Else colon. Press enter. It automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes double century or more than double century. Let's run it. I am giving input 101. Press enter. See, the output is century. Let's discuss this example step by step. Runs variable storing 101 value. Then it checks if condition, that is 101 less than 50. No, the condition becomes false. After that, next it checks the elif condition, that is 101 greater than equal to 50. No, it is false. Next, it checks 101 less than 100. No, it is false. Now the total condition becomes false and false. So the condition is false. Next, it checks the another if elif condition, that is 101 greater than equal to 100. Yes, it is true. Next, it checks the 101 less than 200. Yes, it is true. Now, total condition becomes true and true. The condition is true. Next, it executes print function, that is century, which is printed in output. Remaining blocks are ignored. Remember, depending on your problem, you have to write your own elif conditional statements.